Hey, I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer. And the question I got today is, Teddy, is there a way to send a message to a LinkedIn member that you're not connected with? And the answer is yes. There are numerous ways you can do that. Let me show you what they are. Number one, if you're a premium LinkedIn subscriber, which means you're using Business Premium or Sales Navigator or Recruiter or some other flavor of fee-based LinkedIn, then you have the ability to send InMails. So you can find a second level connection and you can go send that person a message. It's going to open it up in Sales Navigator, and then I can send a message. And this is a paid subscription tool, Sales Navigator, Business Premium, Recruiter, whatever the license is, and it's built into the premium version of LinkedIn. Okay, so that's number one way is pay for LinkedIn, you get InMails. Okay. I'm not advocating you have to do that. So here's the second way to send messages to people that you're not connected with. Here's a lady named Rachel May. Okay, I'm going to click on her profile, and you can see that she's second level, but she's paying for LinkedIn. Okay, so if she's paying for LinkedIn, that is possible she's opened up herself to open InMails. And here's what that means. If I go to more, I go to message, and you can see down here, this is basically an InMail, but it's a free InMail, and it says right here, free message. So LinkedIn members who are premium users that you're not connected with may be open to InMails, and they're free to anyone on LinkedIn if that LinkedIn member allows that. Okay, that's the second way, free InMails. So let's talk about the third way, through LinkedIn groups. So you go to a group. So here's a group I'm in. It's called Triad Career Network. There's 668 members here. If I click on that, now you can see here's a list of members. If I go in here and say I want to find somebody named Elliot or find somebody named Stang, there's Danielle Stang. And look at this, message. So I can go to a LinkedIn group that I'm in, that I can find people who are in that group that I'm not connected with, means they're second level, maybe third level, and I can send them a message from within that group. And by the way, you can send 15 messages per month across all of your groups. It's another great way to engage with your LinkedIn, with people on LinkedIn that you're not connected to. Now, let me show you one more way that you can send a message to people you're not connected with on LinkedIn. It's sending a message to people who sent you an invitation. Let me show you. Under my network, you can see I have 9 pending invites here. Now, by default from this page, I can reply back to someone who sent me a message with a note. But these people didn't include notes. So check this out. Go over here to see all. This opens up the invitation manager. And from the invitation manager, I can send anybody a message who sent me an invitation. So in summary, there are a few ways that you can send messages to people you're not connected with on LinkedIn. Number one, if they're a premium subscriber of LinkedIn, they may be open to open InMails. Number two, you can pay for LinkedIn yourself and you can send whatever number of InMails that you're allowed to send per month based on your subscription. Number three, you can go to LinkedIn groups and you can message people in your LinkedIn groups. It's limited to 15 a month. And number four, you can send a message to people who sent you an invitation. You can go back to Invitation Manager and send them a message. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer, and I hope those little ideas are helpful for you.